Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about on how you can claim free Solana using a Sol Incinerator and how it actually like works. So the whole process is like really simple. Here you're gonna have the how does it work is the Solana requires small Sol deposit known as rent to create a token account. Once the token has been sold or sent to the account can be closed and the deposit recovered. So this is something that you can actually try to do is that when you're gonna click here claim, and you're gonna have phantom here, so I got like connected, and it doesn't mean that you're going to actually like get it, right? Is that okay? I was just like connected here. Okay, so I'm going to connect wallet. Here we go. Look at that. And look, balance changes are estimated that it's actually alive, like it's not edited or anything like that. And I got it. So yeah, this is something that you can actually do. But it doesn't mean is that if you don't have like anything there, of course, like, you know, and that's how it works. See, I got the increase there. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video brought a little bit of value and how it actually works and what you can actually do. So have a great day and goodbye.